The last couple of years, we have faced sensible price increases in goods and services. Inflation affects everyone. If we can invest our currency in anything that grows at a rate higher than inflation does, or if we need to finance an investment or a purchase at an interest rate below the inflation, we could say we are beating it and making a good deal. It can also happen that you need to buy a high-ticket item but don't have the budget to pay for the full amount at the moment, and you want to finance it without affecting your credit score. A program like the monthly payment plan at 0% interest comes in handy in situations like these. I've had to use it to buy a laptop for my older son and also for a couple of pieces of furniture and other items. In this video, I will show you step by step how to buy different items with the 12 monthly payments plan at 0% interest rate by Amazon. Let's get started. First, go to your Amazon app or to your Amazon website and type something like 12 monthly payments, or personalize it to the item you are looking for by typing the name of that item followed by the phrase monthly payments. Scroll down until you find the item that fulfills your need and that has the option of X amount of money for, let's say, 12 months. When you click on it, look for the option marked with $0 or 0% APR interest rate. Then add the item to your shopping cart. When you click on Proceed to Checkout, it will take you to a screen where it will ask you if you consent electronic communications from Amazon. You need to click on Yes, because that's how Amazon will notify you if you are approved for the loan, and it will let you know about the terms and conditions. Also will let you get the reminders about the upcoming payments. Then it will show you the terms of the purchase with 12 months, 0% interest plan, including how much your down payment will be and how much each monthly payment will be. The down payment is higher than the rest of the monthly payments because it includes the taxes that are paid upfront. You can click to consent the monthly payment agreement. Up to this point, you haven't purchased anything yet. You are just looking into the terms and conditions. Now you can check that everything is okay regarding the form of payment and the address where your item will be shipped to. Now you're ready to click to place the order. Let's do it once more with a different item. Again, look for the item you want, adding the phrase monthly payments to your search. You can see that there are all kinds of items on Amazon with this feature, from cell phones, TVs, computers, headphones. For this example, I will use a Casper mattress. I will select the item with the 12 monthly payments plan. In the forms of payment, click on the Amazon monthly payments with 0 interest directly financed by Amazon. Once you choose this option, you can add it to your cart. Now it will show you the settings for the shipping, and then again, when you consent to receive electronic communications from Amazon. Now the terms and conditions of the purchase where you will consent to them. And now you can complete the purchase by clicking on Place Your Order. Now you know how to make a purchase using the 12 monthly payment plan with 0% interest by Amazon. I hope you have found this video informative and useful. If you have any questions about this process, you can write it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This will let me know if you want to see more content like this. Thank you for watching. Until the next review, all the best for you.